If you want to get rid of dark spot with a simple method and make your skin bright and clear, I recommend you to surely try this mask. Hello and welcome to Aymohland channel. Today I wanna make a wonderful mask with the queen of fruits for you. Yes, I'm talking about the strawberry. Strawberry is filled with vitamins, especially vitamin C, also antioxidant, which causes your skin to be bright and clear. If you want a happy, fresh skin, then watch this video to the end. Pour a tablespoon of wheat starch into the pot and dilute it with water and stir it well until its color becomes clear, and when it becomes concentrated, put it aside. So that we start with the preparation of the strawberries. Grate 3 medium strawberries. You could also use a mixer. Now add liquid with starch to your strawberries. Apply the mask to your entire face with a clean brush. After 20 minutes, wash your face with cool water. Easy peasy until the next training.